Congratulations on your purchase of Trivia Challenge. This instructional video will show you how to properly run Trivia Challenge and make it an event your members will want to come back for again. Please have your host and scorekeeper watch this video. Materials needed for each team to play are an 8.5 by 11 team score sheet, one answer pad, and a pencil. The materials needed to host are a set of questions, a master score sheet, and a pencil. To open the game, the host will make a beginning announcement followed by the rules and instructions. If you refer to the game guide, we recommend the host read right off the script. You'll notice the game is played in rounds. There are 3 rounds of questions, a halftime question, followed by 3 more rounds of questions, and ending with the final question. The host will announce the categories for the 3 upcoming questions at the beginning of each round.
Your categories in round number 1 will be animals, television, and history. Once again, animals, television, and history.
The host will then ask the first question.
The first question in round number 1 is in the animals category, and it reads, true or false, the blue whale is the largest mammal in the world. Once again, true or false, the blue whale is the largest mammal in the world.
While the song is playing, the teams fill out their answer slip with their team name, the point value they wish to use, and their answer. Teams may use each point value once per round. For example, if on question 1 of round 1, our animal question, the team used their 3-point value, they would have their 1 and 5-point values remaining for the next 2 questions. The idea is for the teams to strategically use their point values to accumulate the greatest number of points. The team will then turn in their answer slip to the scorekeeper before the end of the song. The host and/or scorekeeper is responsible for grading each answer. Please refer to the sample score sheet in your game guide. If the team's answer is correct, circle the corresponding point value on the score sheet. If the team's answer is incorrect, strike an X on the corresponding point value. When the song is ended, the host will repeat the question and give the answer and move on to the next question. For example,
the first question of round number 1 was in the animals category. It read, true or false, the blue whale is the largest mammal in the world. That is true. The second question in round number 1 is in the television category, and it reads, within 1 year, in what year did the ESPN network debut? Once again, within 1 year, in what year did the ESPN network debut?
At the end of the round, total the score. Do not subtract points for incorrect responses. The host will continue on this manner throughout the remainder of the first half of questions. The halftime question is a 4-part question where teams will receive 3 points for each correct part of their answer. Teams can earn 0, 3, 6, 9, or 12 points on the halftime question. The host will announce the halftime score update after the halftime question has been scored and the teams ranked from highest to lowest.
Your halftime score update is as follows. In 6th place with 28 points, the Beach Bums. In 5th place with 30 points, the Smiths. In 4th place with 32 points, the Boxers. In 3rd place with 33 points, Wayne's World. In 2nd place with 35 points, No Moss. And in 1st place with 38 points, Dead in the Water.
The second half is played just like the first half, only the point values changed to 2, 4, and 6. At the completion of round 6, the host will again give a score update before announcing the final question. On the final question, teams can wager any value between and including 0 to 20 points. This is the only question where teams will lose the points for an incorrect answer. The final question is always a put-in-order question, such as from oldest to youngest, smallest to largest, or chronologically. A team's answer must be entirely correct to be awarded their wager. After the final answers have been graded, the host will announce the top 3 finishers, starting with 3rd place first, announcing their points, going to 2nd place announcing their points, and finishing with the 1st place team and announcing their point total as well.
And coming from last place all the way to 1st with 74 points, the Wise Guys. Well done.
This brings you to the end of the game.
Also, I'm back on Saturday night. Congratulations, PJ.
Behind us.
I like to bring my wife to the trivia because we get to have a beer and it's just fun.
$1. Congratulations.